Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
Akshaya here. He said, Karan sir said that in the beginning before introducing you that you were the only choice you were the first choice for the film. Everybody would agree that the amount of work that you do for the welfare of army men and martyrs, I don't think anybody in India does it, not just actors. Does this emotionally draw you towards subjects like these, where you want to tell stories which people don't know about? You know, like you said, that we don't know about the Battle of Saragari.
I said, looking at this subject, who wouldn't want to do this? Who wouldn't want to be a part of this? It's an amazing subject. It's about courage, and it's a real subject. And even when I heard about airlift, I still remember, and I just went for it. I was shocked, I said, that nobody knew about it. Even the media didn't know about airlift. When I Googled about airlift, what happened, there was only one article about that thing, that India went inside a war zone and brought 1,70,000. And after the movie release, there were millions of articles on it. So, and about same goes with Saragari also. Not many people knew about it. They just knew a little bit vaguely. And so this is a beautiful subject. And I was like, once I heard about it, I said, I just want to do it by hook or by crook. I'm just going to be part of this film.
Karan sir, the same question.
Thank you.
As a producer, because of what he's doing for army men individually and personally, does it become easier for you to convince him for a film like this? You know,
I think that initially when Anurag and all of us went to Akshay, it was because of not only the dignity that he has always brought to the silver screen, but also the prowess that he has as a mega movie star. Like, I feel if there's one man who can stand and scream and scare a battalion of people, it's Akshay Kumar. So I think that inherent conviction that you need to inherently have in your demeanor. Now, it doesn't matter, it doesn't come from just your presence. It comes from your body of work. It comes from the eyes that you have humanity in. It comes from your humanitarian work. It's a combination of various factors that encompass the magic and magnitude of Akshay Kumar. So when you write a narrative such as Kesari, when you have this man leading an army of 21 to combat an army of 10,000, there are very few names that pop up in your head. And Akshay Kumar was leading that list. And he was really our top to bottom, I would say, choice. Like I said right at the top, and I meant every word, had Akshay Kumar declined the making of Kesari, this film would not have been made.